Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm changing my dining room into a beautiful tropical summer look. Let's get started guys. For those of you that new to my channel, welcome and I'm so grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And I want to say big thank you for my return subscribers. I'm so grateful for all of you guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Most of the stuff that I use in this video, I already have them at the house, and I'm gonna leave the link of everything in the description box down below guys. Keep on watching. I put the big one in the back now because I think they look better this way. So, you can play around to see. I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is the finished look guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you do. Keep on watching. You guys enjoyed the video and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.